ওয়েলকাম টু ট্রাভেল গল্প। আমি ঝুমা। বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমি তোমাদের সাথে সিঙ্গাপুর বার্ড পার্ক আর সিঙ্গাপুরের জুয়ের কিছু ভিডিও শেয়ার করতে চলে এসেছি। যদি আমার চ্যানেলে প্রথমবার ভিজিট করে থাকো তাহলে অনুরোধ থাকলো চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেওয়া।
Everyone here, what's your name? You hear that? He says Pao Pao. Pao Pao means baby or precious in Mandarin. One more time, what's your name? Pao Pao. Pao Pao here has learned a lot of sounds, but before he starts, he would like everyone to do something for him. And what is that, Pao Pao?
I love you. I love you.
Not that one. Shh. He says shh. The sound that he makes is a little bit soft. That's why he wants everyone to keep quiet. But the first sound. What sound is that? Someone knocking at the door. So when someone knocks on the door, he will ask. He will ask who. I think I know who it is. It could be his friendly neighbor. Is it the dog? Puppy dog next door. Well, he has also learned high-tech sounds. Let's see if he can remember this. Ready, Papa? What is this? Sound of a ringing telephone. So when someone calls you on the phone, you pick it up and you say, hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
A nice and sweet hello there from Papa and one little bit of encouragement for him. Thank you. Papa has also learned sounds that you and I make. If you are sad, you will cry, right? And this is how he cries. How do you cry? No, how do you concentrate? How do you cry? So sad. So that is how he cries. So when he's sad, I will try to cheer him up by tickling him. It's a break of tickles. So when he's happy, he will do his happy dance. Can you do your happy dance? Round and round and round. Okay, that's it. Well, Papa has also learned the line of the birthday song. By any chance today, 21st of June, anyone celebrating your birthday? Let's start off with the people on my left. Anyone celebrating your birthday? No one here? Nothing? No one. Right there, yes, you have. I can see you have. Waving your hands. Stay where you are. In the middle, anyone? Yes, you young lady at the stairs right there. Yes, you sir. There's 3 of you. Stay where you are. Don't move. Any more than
No,
okay,
it's not.
on the right. Yes, you.
It's not your birthday.
5 of you. Thank you. Okay, this song or line of the birthday song is really powerful. That's too fast and too soft. Now we do this together. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Okay. Happy birthday to you. One more time. One last one. A round of applause then for Papa everyone and happy birthday to all of you celebrating today. And for the rest of you, Papa has something very nice to say. What is that, Papa?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
There you go. Round of applause for Papa everyone. Last one.
Bye. Bye.
Look, he's waving.
Bye.
There you go, Papa. Thank you. Second pair from India, our spot-billed pelicans. Next from Eastern Europe, we have 5 Dalmatian pelicans, and here they are. Come on, guys. Now back to Africa. First, with their long, sexy legs, look out on your right. Get out the greater flamingos. And last but not least, let's welcome our birds from South America, coming from up there and there. Well, there you have it, everyone. Our grand finale of birds. A round of applause for them. Thank you. And with that, we have come to the end of the High Flyer Show. And the next show in the park is going to be at 4 p.m. Kings of the Skies happening at the Hawk Arena. And a very short moment after we usher these birds back home, we are going to have a little photography session with another group of flamingos happening right here. If you are interested, do stay on for that. And last but not least, we on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, do have a great day in the bird park. And please, do look around you and take your belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye.
যদি আজকের এই ভিডিও তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলেই আমার সার্থকতা। আশা করি আগামী দিনের ভিডিওগুলোর যদি সঙ্গী হতে চাও তাহলে চ্যানেলটাকে হারিয়ে ফেলার আগে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও বন্ধুরা। তাহলে দেখা হচ্ছে পরবর্তী কোনো নতুন ভিডিওর সাথে। ততক্ষণ তোমরা হাসি খুশি থেকো। আজ এই বলেই শেষ করলাম।